I bring you reports, my good people, and you see this report so e dey reveal one thing and e dey confirm another thing. E dey reveal the truth. E don filter out the truth comot from all the lies wey politicians don dey tell us for inside this our country, Nigeria. And this particular report dey confirm say we country people no need to dey trust members of the House of Representatives dem again. Dem be those kind people wey be say if dem greet you good morning, my brother, go outside go confirm whether na evening abi na afternoon. Now breeze don blow, fowl yansh don open. Before I give you this report, before I give you the full details of this informate, so my good people, I wan first welcome you back to Anointed Daily TV. Now we dey give you legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside our nation Nigeria. So if you would like to dey receive news like that, you are free to subscribe to the channel and remember to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. So without wasting much of your time, my good people, make I give you the details of this information. So one report now don reach our table, and this report now dey reveal the real truth about the members of the House of Representatives. This report now don let us know say the House of Rep members dem lie to the general public. Dem mislead the public about their monthly salaries. You know say I bin don give you report now say the federal lawmakers during one plenary session wey happen on the 18th day of July for inside this year 2024, they come dey claim say they dey earn 600k monthly. The lawmakers now dey yarn this one during the session. They dey yarn say out of that 600k now, they dey donate half of their salaries, and they dey donate am sake of the hunger wey country people dey face for inside we country Nigeria. These lawmakers now, they come make country people believe say na so their mind good reach. They dey donate half of 600k, and that na 300,000 naira. They dey donate am to help country people based on things and things wey dey go on for the country. Now breeze don blow, fowl yansh don open. The Foundation for Investigative Journalism, wey be FIJ, they come carry out an investigation. They come find out the truth, and they find different kind of truth for inside the different kind of lie wey the lawmakers dey tell country people. Now, based on information wey we get from the Revenue Mobilization Fiscal Commission, wey be RMFAC, the government agency wey dey responsible for the remuneration of political office holders, come dey show say the actual monthly salary, that is the real monthly salary wey the House of Representative member dey carry dey go house every month, na 794,086 naira. This money e big well pass the 600k wey they even lie say they dey collect. Lawmakers can lie sha. They don use math remove 194,086 naira from their salary. If true now federal government come hear that talk, come say okay, make we minus this kind of money since una dey lie like this, they go holla. But they don't come outside on their own, can't lie. Now they talk say out of that their lie 600,000, they remove 300,000 dey help country people. And we know very well now say that one too if it be lie, because if to say the lawmakers they true donate 50% of their real salary, that is to say they contribute approximately 168.7 million naira on a monthly levels. Now if you do this kind of thing for 6 months, we are looking at 1 billion naira. And the investigation is no end there, my good people. The Foundation for Investigative Journalism, wey be FIJ, they come still dey yarn say one Tory people their interview with Uzodikwe Ifeanyi, wey be the lawmaker wey dey represent Inewi South Federal Constituency, on Thursday come reveal a screen grab of in July salary notification, and in expose a monthly earnings, as in a monthly salary of 936,979.43 naira. Now the federal government they go get mind, they pay lawmakers this kind of money, but they can't go sign 70,000 naira wey never reach $50 as new minimum wage. Why the civil servants they now they no go on strike? Why the Labour Congress now they no go shut down everything based on say they para away, based on say they no get joy for inside our country, Nigeria? Okay, now what is the purpose of the nationwide protest for inside the country? Shey no because of say hunger dey, shey no because of the high cost of living, shey no because of inflation, no because of say things don't choke them reach the extent no be say They say lie we go enter street for this matter. But lawmakers they pay person money wey reach like this. Okay, now make we put their salary aside. You know say lawmakers they receive up to 1 million a month. Yes, it is very much possible because by the time you don't add accommodation allowance, you don't add furniture allowance, you don't add different kind of packages then wey they receive, you don't add their medical allowance, you don't add their recess allowance, and you don't add their duty tour allowance. All this money now it a total approximately 5.9 million naira on a monthly levels, no capping. Now this kind of people they receive this kind of money, wetin concern them concern protest. If you check them properly sef, you no go even see their children for Nigeria. They are receiving good education in another man's country. They are receiving better lifestyle. They enjoy life for another country, but the children waiting for their home country, they go allow them starve, they go allow them enter streets, begin they carry this and that, say they do protest. And it no finish there, oh my good people. The Revenue Mobilization Fiscal Commission, maybe RMFAC, their record they show say lawmakers then they entitled to supplementary allowance of around 5.9 million naira on a to be processed basis. In addition to this one now, they receive millions of naira as running costs without any transparency on how these funds are utilized. That is, they know they even they give person how they use this money. But man, shock you, my good people. According to different talks where they come out from different lawmakers, their mouths, including the former Senate President, will be Ahmed Lawan. He said the monthly running cost they stand at approximately 8.5 million naira. Now, despite their pledge, upon say they don't pledge, the House of Representatives who they talk about so, they never still confirm if true they don't start to donate half of their salaries to fight hunger. So you see this informate, my good people, see this report, na eye opener. That na to open your eye, may you know the kind of thing when they go on for inside our country. Now I know say many of us go get the scope, many of us go know say this our country Nigeria is no good. But how much of it no good will you know about? No wonder na hashtag end bad governance started they use for this nationwide protest. So, and if you check them properly, you go see and say country people they have every right to protest. They have every right to enter streets because it get as it be. The federal government, no, they even they look countrymen their side. See the lawmakers, so they live la vida loca. Before this protest starts, Senate President himself will be Godswill Akpabio in come as I con the yarn. Say, why country people they do their protest? They go their house they chop. That now they tell you say our country is jaga no be small. And this my good people are the information we as make a pass give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make it drop inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give on the legit information on the things and things where they happen for inside our nation Nigeria. So if you go like to receive news like this, feel free make it subscribe to the channel and remember to put on the notification bell so that as we bring the news they come, then go first get the updates and you go receive them sharp. And they bring another interesting information for you, my good people. For now, I beg, no go anywhere.